All your work comes together in one place in the new Microsoft 365 app, with rich experiences powered by the Microsoft Graph. You'll find all your documents, presentations, and files across all your apps, and that includes third-party content. You can search and find files that were shared by specific people, and files that were shared during meetings, bringing everything together in a single experience. You can easily create new content, get a head start with a pre-designed template, all while making your content shine. You'll find all the Microsoft apps you love and rely on, as well as third-party apps and your own company apps. The feed helps you stay on top of your day, to prepare you for upcoming meetings, see updates from people you follow, and more. And it provides personalized recommendations powered by the Microsoft Graph to take action on, and gives quick access to all your recent files.